ProteaPex Therapeutics is the faculty startup company out of the Philadelphia College of Osteopathic Medicine. We are developing a platform technology of therapeutics to treat diseases in which the extracellular matrix, or the scaffolding of the cell, is abnormally degraded. So our lead product is a treatment for osteoarthritis.
Today, the standard treatments for canine osteoarthritis are usually drugs that are common with human people as well: non-steroidal anti-inflammatories, narcotic painkillers, etc. These products carry significant side effect profiles in the canine population. And so there is a demand by consumers today to find other therapies for their pets that do not carry those side effects, which often lead to bleeding, for example, in the dog. And because our product has shown not only to be able to treat this, but also slow down the acceleration of the disease, it's a critical element for future therapy for these animals.
So our lead product, Pexagen, is a therapeutic for osteoarthritis. Osteoarthritis affects about 80% of the world's population over the age of 60, and there are no drugs that are disease modifying in the market. Currently, the only treatments are symptom management and pain management. Our platform technology is a breakthrough in treatment of diseases of the extracellular matrix because our peptides act as bumpers and can be targeting one interaction of enzyme and substrate, which is unlike anything else that is being developed in the market and reduces side effects of the therapeutic. And so we are developing a new platform technology for multiple diseases, of which Pexagen, our lead product, is an injectable, locally delivered therapeutic that slows the progression of osteoarthritis and potentially could be disease modifying.
My involvement with ProteaPex has been from a clinical standpoint and in helping procure specimens for cartilage, and our lab at Cooper collaborating with Philadelphia College of Osteopathic Medicine. It's been a fantastic collaboration. We've been able to study different ways to grow cartilage cells, and in that capacity now we have at least a basis to grow cartilage cells that we can then use for testing.
Our business model is quite simple. We are first targeting the development of products for the animal health industry, and the rationale for that is quite simple. One, it's a much shorter time period to develop a product and get it into the market, some 5 to 6 years versus 10, 12 years for a human drug. And equally important is the cost of development is substantially less, somewhere around 10 to 12 million versus a human drug at well over $1 billion for osteoarthritis.
So what we're going to do today is I'm going to demonstrate to you how we do the infrapatellar injection.
The benefit to the students engaging in research is that they develop a fundamental appreciation for clinical practice today and tomorrow's therapeutics, and also it hones their skills in critical thinking to be able to design experiments and interpret data. PCOM has created a unique arrangement with our startup companies, and in this case it was formulated to not only nurture inventiveness and creativity on our campuses, but also to engage our students in clinically relevant research studies.
The benefit of developing my master's thesis along with the company has allowed for a unique experience where I'm allowed to collaborate with other facilities and other doctors, being able to watch surgeries and be involved in the clinical aspect, as well as working with a novel therapeutic where it is a drug that could potentially reverse the disease process of a disease that currently has no treatment.
So what are we looking at, Dr. Miller?
We're looking at a knee joint in a young person who had an injury that damaged a structure called the meniscus. We don't have any drug available that's going to modify the inflammatory process which attacks cartilage cells. So it's very important to come up with something that can block the inflammatory phase, can block the degradation of cartilage cells, so that perhaps we can delay surgery, prolong the health of a knee, or maybe one day, for all we know, prevent arthritis after trauma.
What makes our drug quite significant is that we believe this is going to be one of the new indications as a disease-modifying drug. And what we believe and what our preliminary animal data has shown is that we can slow down the progression of osteoarthritis in animals. We may be able even to stop that progression as we go on.
What excites me about the future of ProteaPex Therapeutics is development of our platform technology could lead to therapeutics for multiple indications. We could treat cancer, wound healing, periodontal disease, as well as osteoarthritis and fracture non-union with our products.